Bring yourself back down onto your forearm. Hands either here or here, wherever's comfortable, and just lifting up. If you want to bring an arm up and over, bring an arm up and over. We're only doing a couple. And lift. And lower. One more. From there, bring yourself up, arm up and across into your mermaid. Bring the arm down, take the arm across and reach. So good. And again. And release. Bringing yourself into your tabletop swimmer. Left arm, right leg. Make sure you're assuming a neutral position, so you're neither a cat or a cow stretch, and you've got your pelvis in that nice natural position, sit bones anchored behind you. Left arm, right leg. Have a stretch. Back to centre, other side. Push down through the front of that foot. Lengthen through the knees, squeeze into the buttocks. One more on each side. From here, come back and just have a release. We're going to do threading the needle, so I'll start on our left arm. Push through the knees. Take your left arm, palm down and reach. That lovely stretch. From here you can do a salute, or if you want a long arm, that's totally up to you how you're feeling today, because it's very much a thoracic movement. One more. Last time. If you find your pelvis pushing back, that's absolutely fine. We all move differently. Other arm. Reach. Thread under. So again, you can either some naughty dogs out there. Reach. Two more. Last one.